Hey guys, it's Merlin Murback, and today we're going to play Train Simulator 12. This isn't the only game I have. Plus, I have a realistic mode, so I can actually go in the cab and play like this. What the heck? I just realized that the top isn't like, do you see that? The top goes like down and there's like nothing there. That's a mistake in this game. If people play this game, then I should know how to do it. This is really hard to move. Oh, damn it. How do I put shovel in here? Huh, nothing. Oh my god. Shoot. Does anybody know how to move this? Oh, train. Okay.